In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics to your host in a website builder. This process is a straightforward way to gain insights into your website's performance and understand your audience better. Let's dive in and walk through this step-by-step guide together. First things first, head over to Hostinger's website. You'll want to bring your idea online and access your account. If you're not already logged in, now is the time to do so. Click on the login button. This will take you to the necessary page where you simply need to enter your credentials. Make sure you have your login information at hand to smoothly move through the next steps. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Hostinger homepage. It's the central hub where you can access various features and manage your website efficiently. We're going to focus on editing your website, so locate and click on the Edit Website option. This will direct you to your website settings and editing environment where you can customize and optimize your site. Moving forward, go to the website by selecting it. In this section, you'll find various settings related to your site. Remember, the more time you spend familiarizing yourself with these options, the easier it will be to manage your website in the future. Now look for more settings and click on it. This will reveal additional features you can configure to enhance your site's functionality. Now from the More Settings panel, click on Integrations. Hostinger offers several integration solutions to enhance your website. Among these, we are particularly interested in Google Analytics. So find and click on the Google Analytics option from the list of integrations available. At this point, you're almost done. You need to enter your Google Analytics ID. If you aren't sure where to find this ID, log into your Google Analytics account. You'll find the ID in the admin section under the property settings. Copy this ID and return to your Hostinger website builder. Paste the ID into the designated field within the Google Analytics integration panel. Ensure you've entered the correct ID so the data it collects is accurate and reflective of your site's performance. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated Google Analytics with your Hostinger website. This connection is crucial for understanding how users interact with your site, allowing you to make informed decisions to drive traffic and improve user experience. Keep an eye on the analytics data regularly to continuously refine and enhance your website's performance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more helpful guides like this one.